goes all the way up in those dirt piles. What's going on, guys? Casey here again with Team Dominator Storm Recovery. Tonight, I'm going to be heading to Kerrville, powered by the United Cajun Navy. We're going to be going down there to assess the flood situation to see if they need any resources, and if they do, what do they need? If they don't need anything, great. I know they're to put on a lot of search efforts right now, and there's quite a few people, I think, that have been reported missing, so it's very unfortunate, and we're just want to get down there as quickly as possible and see if they need any help whatsoever, and if they do, we're going to give them that help right away. Y'all are the heroes. Thank you, guys. We got some meat cooking over here. What do we got on here?
We got 12 pork butts on there. We'll have some pulled pork sandwiches ready tomorrow.
What are we doing later?
Tonight, we got hamburgers and hot dogs. I got some chicken leg quarters I'm going to throw on. So,
all right, y'all. United Cajun Navy, Team Dominator Storm Recovery. Come check us out. Tons of food. Show you guys the exactly where we're at.
Better beef than chicken.
No, there is chicken. It was chicken.
Oh, it was chicken.
It was chicken.
All right, y'all. We got the food packaged and ready to go. Individual meals. Volunteers are going to be loading up here soon and taking them out to other organizations and crews around. Really, anyone who's hungry and needs food. We're just making it a little easier getting the food to them. So what a great community this is right now, of everyone coming together and helping out. Look at all these resources we have right now.
On it and everything.
might be the.
Oh.
Jacks are on all four corners though. Rear jacks on.
So we finished all of our food over here that Salvation Army and other crews have brought around, and we're about to end our operation here. We still have tons of food left, so we're gonna go take the rest of it down the street and give it out to the other crews.
You doing what now? You getting what now?
Oh no, I'm good. I'm in South Texas right now.
Just so y'all know, the water line was all the way up in those dirt piles. All this was underwater, y'all. What's going on, guys? Casey here with Team Dominator Storm Recovery, powered by United Cajun Navy. Today we got search crews out here all in this field. Actually, this whole area that we're standing in was underwater. The water was all the way up to that second pile of rocks that you see over there, and clear up down here in the river now. There's a few trailers, and there's also a submerged trailer down in the middle of the river, and we're gonna try to get access to that here in a little bit. We have a bulldozer and tractors clearing paths right now. It's gonna be another long day.
For right now, because that current on the main one is moving pretty good. Unless he gives us clearance, he'll get. If we need to.
Hey everybody, I'm Alex Harkrider. I'm out here with Team Dominator Storm Recovery and United Cajun Navy. Just want to kind of show y'all what's going on right now. So we're out here in Center Point, Texas. We were out here yesterday doing ground search and recovery. We got called off the water. There was a surge coming through. We're back out here today continuing our operations. We've got volunteers from all over. We've got the landowner here right now clearing out a path for us to keep going down. If anybody wants to help, make any donations to contribute to what we're doing here, they're going to leave the link to do that in the post. We'll probably end up doing some more meals and everything for everybody later. We've got a lot more volunteers coming in to help. And it's just a continuing operation. We thank y'all for the support.
Sir, you're the landowner, aren't you?
Yes, sir. We're the landowners here.
You want to tell us a little bit about here?
A mining operation for the last 20 years, man. You know, we just want to help in any way we can. So, let everybody do what they can do, and we're going to do what we can for the communities.
All right, well, we appreciate you.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
Everybody live united.
What's going on, guys? Casey here with United Cajun Navy, Team Dominator Storm Recovery. What's going on right now is we have a trailer that we found yesterday, and we got called off on the operation because of the rain that was coming in. Now we're back out trying to get the trailer. We have a big truck, big equipment, lots of chains, and more manpower today, and we're going to try to get the trailer up. So we'll keep you guys up to date.
No, I did. Because he did it with that truck.
Oh, okay. Then, yeah, I appreciate that. I just didn't know, so I was trying to figure it out.
Yeah, it's like, where the fuck go?
Yeah, I was like, I'm pulling them off.
Don't worry about nothing to make, right?
SAR-1 is packed.
He's coming this way. You know, you got a couple debris right here, but it's a straight going that way.
Did you throw that far? Don't worry about it.
Oh, you got teasing like that? You got teasing like that, Daddy?
Hey, whoever.
It's not who tied it, it's who unwrapped it.
I know, I'll just say it was out.
You were trying to play me.
Is your number 2263? That's a different job.
Ooh, that's chilly.
That way you like get a distance on the.
That hit it about in line with where this rope is now, right?
Hey.
Turn off. You want me to cut you some football? No. I got hands.
Oh, never mind.
Like a rabid raccoon.
Watch your footing up there.
Why'd you give me the visual?
Y'all, I want to give a huge shout out to United Rentals for showing up thousands of dollars of equipment right now to help us get this mission completed. We've been waiting for the past day now for just any type of pump, and United Rentals comes in clutch. And man, it's a good feeling. We're about to get this water emptied and hopefully get some closure here.
Yes, I'm Luis Hernandez with the United Rentals. I'm a third party. They just called me to bring a pump and hoses so we could start sucking out the water and, you know, try to help us as much as we can.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
We really appreciate you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
That's my dog. He's working. He's a new handler. Come on back, Brad. Same thing. Just work this way. No, stay by the water and just come on back the path you came, please. Wait. No, sir. So this is the reaction we had here. Didn't have the tennis ball. We didn't have the red ball down there. When we were coming this way.
He's hovering. So I understand they can smell something over there earlier too.
Thank you, gentlemen, so much. I give you guys the same. Thank you. Yeah.
I'm gonna reshot that. My hat off. Oh, I got 2 pay in my truck. You like blonde, black? All right.
We're gonna get just a plain burger with ketchup.
Okay.
We appreciate y'all for coming down too.
Absolutely.
We got some hungry folks out here.
man.
Thank you, man.
Get all the ketchup.
We got some ketchup. There we go.
How are y'all doing? All right. What do you need, sir?
How y'all doing? I'm Corey Holland with Circle H Barbecue out of Carthage, Texas. We seen the need down here in Central Texas to come down and help feed these people that's doing the search and rescue. I'm not going to do no search and rescue, but I can keep their bellies full where they can do it. We assisted in North Carolina a couple of times. We spent about 3 weeks up there total and served a little over 10,000 meals the last time we was there, all for free. We do it all for free. That's through the donations and the contributions, mainly from our little community and the outreach we've gathered over the last year or so. But the main thing is we just need to keep everybody down here in this area in our prayers. I mean, they're still finding things. They're still looking for things. I mean, I know what the things are and y'all know what the things are, but let's just keep a positive attitude and try to look on the bright side of it. We seen the call from the United Cajun Navy that was needing help. Alex, he came down, Alex Hartrider, he's from Carthage with us, and he got here a little quicker than we did. We had about 16 hours behind him from where we was at, and he was going to help me cook when we got here, and man, he hit the ground running. And we got here and found out some of these guys hadn't eaten all day long. They was eating a watermelon they found somewhere, but but they'll eat good tonight. I can promise you that. They'll eat good tonight. But if y'all want to help out, y'all can help out the United Cajun Navy. Go find us on Facebook. We're available for caterings or disaster relief, whatever you need. Just come look for us, and we'll come a running when y'all call. And keep praying for everybody, y'all. That's what's needed right now.
All right, thank you, sir. Appreciate it.